and today I want to talk with you about something we're pretty well known for, full arch. Now, some could say we wrote the book on it, but this time we actually did. So we have a full book in detail for FP1 cases. Now, we know every full arch case can be complicated, but sometimes these cases can feel like they're just a step above that, where we want more details or information before getting started. This book is available in an ebook download, or we can send you a physical copy if you'd like to take a look at it in your office and hold it and flip through the pages. But a couple of things that this book flips through, first off, is patient scenarios. So which patients are going to be candidates for FP1 cases, things we're looking for, contraindications, all the details that kind of go into making sure we're selecting the right stackable guide for your patient. And then preceding that, assuming they are a candidate, we go over details like surgical planning and allocation for restorative space. With these cases, those details really matter, and we want you to understand kind of here at the lab our planning process and what we're going through on our end to review with you for your custom case. We also have suturing techniques for day of surgery, and then we have a great guide that is a step-by-step of the componentry for when you're working on the case that kind of details each part of the stackable guide and talks about your FP1 case. And then finally, we talk about space for your final prosthetic, materials, and all the details that really go into finalizing your FP1 case. Now, if this book isn't enough details for you and you perhaps have more questions or want to learn more, please feel free to call into the lab directly. We get a ton of questions when it comes to FP1. Can you guys do it? What does the guide look like? Pricing? Please feel free to call in. We would love to walk you through what the process looks like and answer any additional questions you have. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to supporting you on your next full arch case.